Hello friend, welcome back to Hasibur Tech YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to simply edit any image or any photo like awesome systems just a minute by using Lightroom. So in this tutorial I will explain step by step and it's very easy to uh, edit these types of image. So let's start. First of all, you need to add or input any image on Lightroom. You can find Lightroom apps in Google Play Store, so you can download it simply. When you install and download, then you open and add a photo in Lightroom. Then you find these types of option in under. That's name is color. Then you select in color. Then click on mix. When you click on mix, you find various types of color editing system. Then you click on number 3. Then you input it and it how much you need. You can select any color and you will make your photo more amazing and beautiful. You can see in this process you will be edit any image. I want to show you after and before this image like this and after this image like this. You can simply edit these types of image by using Lightroom. Thank you so much for watching these videos.